Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily. You sound very energetic today.
Really? I just had my morning tea.
Ah, that explains it.
What about you? Did you drink coffee already?
Not yet. I'm still half asleep.
Oh, no.
I stayed up too late last night watching videos.
What kind of videos?
Funny cat videos.
Seriously?
Yes, one cat was dancing.
No way.
I promise, it was very funny.
That sounds great.
So, Emily, what time do you usually wake up?
Usually around 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
I like quiet mornings. Everything feels peaceful.
I wish I were like that.
What time do you wake up?
My alarm rings at 6:30, but I actually wake up around 7:15.
That's a big difference.
I know.
Do you press the snooze button?
Too many times.
Same sometimes,
Really?
especially during cold mornings.
Yes, leaving the bed feels impossible.
Exactly.
So, everyone listening, do you wake up early or late?
Tell us in the comments.
So, Emily, what's the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink water first.
Healthy choice.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Sounds relaxing.
What about you?
Honestly, I check my phone first.
A lot of people do that.
Messages, social media, weather, everything.
And then?
Then I panic because I'm late.
Poor Paul.
Yeah, it happens almost every morning.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Usually, yes.
What do you normally eat?
Eggs, toast, or noodles.
That sounds delicious.
And coffee. Lots of coffee.
How much do you love coffee?
Without coffee, I become a zombie.
Seriously?
Yes, a sleepy zombie.
That's funny.
What about you? Coffee or tea?
Tea most of the time.
Really? Why tea?
It makes me feel calm and relaxed.
Coffee makes me feel alive.
Fair enough.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Sometimes.
Are you good at cooking?
I think so.
Lucky you,
Why?
because I'm terrible at cooking.
No way.
Seriously, one time I burnt my toast.
Oh no.
The smoke alarm started making noise. And my neighbor knocked on my door.
That's so embarrassing.
Very embarrassing.
What about everyone listening? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Rice? Bread? Eggs?
Tell us in the comments.
So, Emily, do you eat breakfast quickly or slowly?
Slowly. I like peaceful mornings.
I eat very quickly because I'm always late.
Poor time management.
Exactly.
So, Paul, how do you usually go to work?
I usually take the bus.
How long does it take?
Around 40 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Unless there's traffic.
Oh, yes, traffic can be stressful.
One morning, the bus was completely full.
Really?
Yes, I had to stand the entire time.
Oh, no.
And someone's backpack kept hitting my face.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Very uncomfortable.
I usually drive to work.
Do you enjoy driving?
Sometimes, I like listening to music in the car.
That sounds relaxing.
It is, unless another driver does something crazy.
True.
One time, a car suddenly stopped in front of me.
Seriously?
Yes, luckily nothing happened.
Driving during busy hours is stressful.
Definitely.
Do you like listening to music while driving?
Yes, calm music helps me relax.
I listen to podcasts sometimes.
Really? What kind?
Comedy podcasts.
Nice choice.
What about you guys listening? How do you go to work or school?
Bus? Train? Bicycle? Walking?
Tell us in the comments.
And remember, don't worry if you don't understand every word.
Just keep listening every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.